to a nightmare that would change a worker's life forever. Brett Whitaker, 44, complained that his room was too hot, and when a staff member came to assist, Whitaker trapped him inside the room and subjected him to a prolonged sexual attack. The victim later told York Crown Court that the ordeal caused such severe anxiety and trauma that he required counseling and medical help and was unable to continue working at the hotel. During the same stay, Whitaker also behaved sexually towards a woman inside the hotel, raising further concerns about his conduct. Whitaker, who has no fixed address and a history of sexual offenses, denied for charges of violations of consent, forcing the hotel worker to relive the experience by giving evidence in court. However, a York jury unanimously convicted him in less than 2 hours, with the judge describing the evidence as overwhelming, including DNA recovered after Whitaker kissed the victim. The court also heard that Whitaker had previous convictions for violations of consent, though the jury was not told about an additional conviction involving a child. Sentencing Whitaker, Judge Simon Hickey said he posed a clear risk to both men and women and described how the victim had been trapped by someone larger, stronger, and under the influence of alcohol. Whitaker was sentenced to 18 months in prison, placed on the sex offenders register for 10 years, and made subject to a sexual harm prevention order banning him from staying in any hotel, B&B, or paid accommodation for a decade unless he notifies police at least 48 hours in advance, a measure designed to protect hospitality workers and the wider public. For more crime stories, like and subscribe.